This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and permissions. Make sure your phone supports Bluetooth Low Energy and the app has location and Bluetooth access. Next, power up the peripheral and keep it within the 310-meter range. BLE is range sensitive. Once done, open the app and select or create a device profile. Grant runtime permissions when prompted so scanning will work. You do this now to avoid dropped scans and wasted steps later. This gets you into the scanning state quickly and reliably. You now switch into scanning mode and apply filters. Name, specific service UID, or RSSI to reduce noise. This saves time and battery. After you tap the device entry, watch the state transition from scanning to connected. If it stalls, cancel and retry. Once connected, discover services and characteristics so you can read, write, or subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to notifications for asynchronous data. This is how sensors stream updates. Keep an eye on MTU and payload limits to optimize throughput. You perform reads and writes to characteristics now. Choose write without response when you need speed, and write with response when you need confirmation. After transactions finish, stop notifications and gracefully disconnect. Close the GAT or equivalent handle so resources are freed and the peripheral can reconnect later. If something goes wrong, try toggling Bluetooth, restarting the app, verifying permissions, or moving closer to the device. Most problems are range or permission related. Finally, document sensor ID and settings so you can replicate the session easily next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.